going to see the unboxing of my PC and my monitor. Since in my childhood I had a huge dream to build the PC and monitor for myself. Unfortunately, I couldn't purchase on that time. So I decided to this is the best time and the right time to purchase. So I have built my PC right now. Let's unbox. Let's go. And this is my PC. I have built it. We'll unbox now. Let me take the knife. We'll start from here. Where we can start from here? We'll start from here itself. I am so much excited and happy. Packing on all excellent. KMI 650. Wow, wow, excellent. Super build. We'll keep aside this and we'll check the keyboard. Keyboard is also very good. Wow. Keypads are very soft. And user manual warranty card. We'll keep it. And now the original video starts. This is 8 GB and this is 8 GB. We are built total 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. This is power cable. This is our PC. Yes. Finally, this is wow. See one more thing. The way they build is very impressive because they have packed each and everything component RAM and SSD, hard disk, motherboard. Because while traveling the PC, it won't get collapsed. For monitor, I have purchased Fox in 22 inches because my budget was very tight, so I couldn't go for other popular brand. Because of my budget constraints, I go with a Fox in 22 inches, and I will tell the prices of the PC and computers and table at last. Please watch the video till the end. In box they have given. The user manual and power cable and HDMI cable and stand. That's all in this box. At last my PC build is over and setup also over. This is my setup where I can keep my CPU is here, my monitor and my mouse and keyboard. I can work here. Okay. Now I will tell all the components that I have used to build this PC. Main part of the CPU is the processor. I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 550 GT because it has inbuilt graphics card, so that I can edit the video, basic video editing I can do in that processor, because I don't have so much budget to dedicate graphics card. So I chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 550 GT. Second, motherboard. I have chosen the Gigabyte 450M motherboard, which has USB cables, 4 USB cables, SATA cables and HMT output, Bluetooth, internet. Third, storage. I have chosen the 5-core SSD, and the RAM I have chosen the 16 GB of RAM to 8+8 RAM. Cabinet. I have chosen the black color cabinet, in the brand Coconut Nova 110 cabinet, black color, which has huge space, 3 fans with RGB color, compact, chic and compact. For cooler, I have chosen the deep cooler 450 watts cooler for this PC. And coming to keyboard, I have chosen the gaming keyboards, which has RGB colors within that, so it's looking nice. That's all. And my monitor, I have chosen the Foxin 22 inches monitor, and it's not an LED monitor, it's a normal monitor. Budget is very low, so I have chosen this. Finally, this and all components I have used to build my PC, and this PC is built for basic video editing and basic gamings with low settings. For video editing, for game like basics, this PC is completely fine. We can do it basic editing and gamings and some office work and all. If you have means, you can think of it like MS Word, MS Excel, can use it. Photoshop, CorelDRAW, everything we can use in this PC. Okay, this is my PC components and items and to build the PC. That's all about this video. If you learn something in this video, please subscribe to my channel and like and share. And one more thing, my English language is not that much good. I'm practicing day by day. Please, if I did any mistake, please ignore and forgive me. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much. We will see you in another video. Until then, signing off here, Veer with Butler English. Bye. Thank you.